Today I'm going to show you what I've done with some glassware I recently picked up from the thrift store. Let's get started. Okay, I am going to start with these three little vases that I got from the thrift store, and I am going to turn these into candle holders. I'm going to take some dried florals I've had from the Dollar Tree. These are what I have left over. You could use any dried flowers or fake flowers you buy from the store, but I'm just going to cut them to size and put them in the base of the vase. So I put some flowers into the bottom of my vases. It was a little tricky, but I do like how it turned out, especially this one that doesn't have any edges and it's just clear. You can see right through it. I wondered what it would look like on these two because they do have that pattern on the glass. It doesn't look horrible, but I definitely like how it looks in this not bumpy glass. And this one doesn't look too bad. You can still see it. So now that I have my flowers in there, I'm just going to simply take a candle and stick it in the top. And then I have a really cute, unique candle holder. I added a little ribbon to each of the vases. I like just the little extra touch it adds to it. I think it's a really cute addition. And now I want to share with you how I like to use other little things that you can pick up from the thrift store as little miniature vases. In a previous video, I painted over some jars, so I like how paint looks. But today, I'm just gonna leave them plain and put some flowers in them. But salt shakers are really cute for this. You know, when your kids go and pick you like the little flowers and you have a really small bouquet, these are really cute to put your little bouquets in. Here's a tall shot glass, another cute vase idea. This is an actual vase, and I just loved the bumpy texture to it. This one I think I want to paint, but I just don't know what color yet, so I'm holding off on painting it because I really like it. And so it came with a fake flower in here that was hot glued to the bottom, but I just really like that vase from the thrift store. And my final little vase is going to be this mason jar, and I liked the pattern on this. I think I'm gonna just take this top part, but I do like the edge of the lid. And so I'll keep that, and then I'm just gonna put some more dry florals in these, and that will be that. So there you have it. Just some cute ideas to do with vases and turning other glassware into vases using a salt and pepper shaker, a tall shot glass, a mason jar, and just taking some vases and putting flowers in the base to make candle holders. Let me know in the comments down below which idea you like best, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.